Hello everyone. If you're a content creator like me who publishes blogs on Dev.to, Medium, and also distribute it on different platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Hacker News, Reddit, right? So it is really challenging to write a blog and then write a tweet and LinkedIn out of it and then share it, right? I mean, it's like writing content. I love it to post and share it daily. But when I want to distribute it, I don't like it much. So I actually automated this entire workflow. Like I use Dev.to a lot, right? So I just got Dev.to API key from Dev.to. And then I'm using Twitter to reshare these tweets and all, right? I'm a lot active on Twitter. I tweet daily, like every time. Let's see what can be done. So this is the workbench for Motia. And you can see like this fetches Dev.to article. Like when article is submitted, it just fetch that submitted article, then process this article, and then you just have to like retrieve the tweet by putting the trace ID for that. Let me quickly show you how it works. I will just run it. Yeah. So I'll just run to get published articles, which is recently submitted. So no new articles found because I didn't post anything. But yeah, let's look for the previous one. So previously I had this article published and I just did the call now. So I can just go in trace ID and paste that trace ID. When I do it, you will see like entire tweets are generated. I just created like 3 kinds of tweets, which is classic, then code tweet, and then listicle. So I can just copy this and can paste it in Twitter, and my job is done. So that simple it is. I just have to remove this /n and all. You will also see the tracing, right? How beautiful this tracing is. Like quickly it goes from in different colors. I have also shared like a lot of demos. So check out my previous videos on Motia. So traces is nice. Then logging, you can check entire logs, like how the endpoint was called, then no articles were found, but previously it was found, like it's generated. So I just copied this trace ID and pasted there. You can also check the state details. So it also has the state, and also in the state details you can see the entire tweets. So one was for the one endpoint and another for the last published article. So that's why it showed like that. But let's go to code and see how it works. So I have written 3 steps for this blog to tweet. API step, which will be used for like fetching the new articles from Dev.to. Then event step, which processes the articles with AI to generate tweets. That which is for like serves like generated tweets, right? This is the entire thing where everything works. Like this is an HTTP API endpoint, then you have the means like name, then events, then part of the content pipeline flow, then also mentions the HTTP endpoint path, then HTTP method. So everything is there. Then how the handler works, let's go to that and see. So this is the handler, right? So whenever there is latest article is published, it will just retrieve, and then it will check like if already process this article, not, then already article process, do nothing, and if not, then new article is generated. So it updates state and then emit event. So once the event is done, then it just passes to another step. So event step is more of the AI processing. So I'm using the OpenAI for this. I have written the prompt to like what kind of content can be generated. So similarly, so everything is like that. Then we also have the retrieve state. So retrieve state is nothing but retrieve tweets is nothing but to get tweets. So whenever like we have the trace ID URL parameters, then we just retrieve store tweets and then return tweets to client. So that's how the flow is. Very simple and very easy. So definitely check it out and let me know what you think about this. It will be available on the GitHub repo. So just head over to Motia's examples and then you can try all the rest.